In this video, I will explain the working of Schmitt trigger. A Schmitt trigger is a circuit which is used to convert any irregular shaped waveform into the square wave. This is the circuit diagram of a Schmitt trigger. As we are seeing, in this circuit, a voltage divider constructed by resistors R1 and R2 is used. This voltage divider provides a threshold voltage to the non-inverting terminal. VTH is the threshold voltage applied to the non-inverting terminal. The value of this threshold voltage VTH depends on the polarity and magnitude of output voltage VO. Because using voltage divider rule, we can write VTH equals R1 upon R1 plus R2 into VO. And if VO is plus B saturation, maximum value, then VTH is called upper threshold voltage. So upper threshold voltage will be R1 upon R1 plus R2 into plus B saturation, as written here. V upper threshold voltage equals this R1 upon R1 plus R2 into plus B saturation. If output voltage is minimum voltage, means minus B saturation, then this threshold voltage VTH is called lower threshold voltage, represented by VLTH, and its value will be VLTH equals R1 upon R1 plus R2 into minus B saturation. In this way, we can set VTH in two levels. One is upper threshold voltage and second is lower threshold voltage. The difference between upper threshold voltage VUTH and lower threshold voltage VLTH is called hysteresis voltage. Hysteresis voltage VHY equals VUTH minus VLTH. So the hysteresis voltage is the difference between upper threshold voltage and lower threshold voltage. The principle of working Schmitt trigger is whenever input signal exceeds the threshold voltage. Threshold voltage may be upper or lower. If input signal exceeds any threshold voltage, the output shifts from plus B saturation to minus B saturation or minus B saturation to plus B saturation. Suppose this sinusoidal input signal is applied at the input of the Schmitt trigger. VUTH is the upper threshold level and VLTH is the lower threshold voltage. Suppose initially the output of the Schmitt trigger is at plus B saturation. Now consider the positive cycle of the input signal. Input signal increased from 0 to positive peak when input signal exceeds the upper threshold level, this level. At that moment, the output shifts from plus B saturation to minus B saturation level. Now input signal exceeds to positive peak, then it will start decreasing and then enter in the negative half cycle, and now it will again exceeds the lower threshold value. So from this point, upper threshold to lower threshold, the output will remain at minus B saturation level. But when input exceeds lower threshold voltage in negative direction, the output shifts from minus B saturation to plus B saturation. Now, input signal starts increasing in negative direction, reaches at its negative peak, and then again starts decreasing in negative direction and reaches at zero level. Then it increases and enters in the next positive half cycle. When in positive half cycle input signal exceeds upper threshold value, upper threshold voltage, then output voltage shifts again from plus B saturation level to minus B saturation level. In this way, the Schmitt trigger converts the sinusoidal waveform into the square waveform.